broke it up, huh?
Really? You ride around with cheater slicks? Man, this is awesome.
This car was purposely built in '65 to beat Ferrari.
That's correct.
That's my kind of car.
Automotive trade show in Las Vegas. And I'm going to show you the inside track, all my favorite vehicles, but it's going to be fast and furious. What did you bring us in the Pirelli booth? Foose has his brand new Mustang, but you've got the look of the 70 Mach 1.
And they're bringing each model from 1949 to current.
Wow.
So there's going to be a lot of them there.
He's got his new Porsche Carrera GT outside.
Man.
What is with